Welcome to my channel. The purpose of the Physics 250 playlist is to provide supplementary visual material with captions in a recorded format that can be played, paused, and repeated at a convenient pace for the viewer. And sometimes presents alternate explanations and demonstrations to those. Not all topics are necessarily fully covered. This playlist is not meant to be a substitute for attending the lectures, labs, or assigned textbook reading. Although it is recommended that you check out the video about how to go about your reading. Your instructor may, in fact, assign you required videos from the list, in which case you should view them. For your class, participation in both lectures and labs is required, and full content that you will be responsible for learning and demonstrating on homework and exams will be presented. Just like learning a chapter solely from a chapter summary and examples, without reading the rest of the text, you will find it a lot harder to master the content if you only watch the videos. For example, the videos will not generally cover misstatements, nor the required extensive analysis of lab results. The playlist is laid out in the order of topics, which does not necessarily correspond to the order that the videos were recorded in. Lab topics are interspersed with lecture content as they support each other in understanding the physics as well as problem solving. Some of the videos will refer to content in other videos. In these cases, you should review those as well. Some of the videos will be broken into sections. These will be designated by time markers in the description, in which case click on them to jump to the parts you need. The descriptions may also include additional necessary information to understand the video. For lab videos including measurements, these are meant only as backup if the instructor cannot provide you the live demonstration on the day of the lab. Otherwise, you are required to use the measurements taken during the day of the lab. Just like the playlist itself, you are encouraged to seek out additional supplementary material. An example of this is from phet.colorado.edu. You do not need to watch the full playlist in order. Feel free to skip around for videos on only the topics you need more help with or you are interested in. You are also encouraged to check out my playlists for other classes for fun as well as learning.